Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can edit a text in WhatsApp. For example, if you have sent a text to one of your friend in WhatsApp and now if you want to correct that or add something to the text without deleting and resending it, we can edit that. So WhatsApp gave up with a very good option. I'll show you. So open WhatsApp and open any conversation. See, I have sent a text to myself to show you the tutorial for you. So I'll open the WhatsApp. Let's see here. And if you observe here, the text is edited. See, that just below the text there is something like edited. So this is the beautiful option from WhatsApp. And see here, if you observe, I texted myself, message yourself. So I already did a video like how to text yourself in WhatsApp. If you don't know how to do that, you can go through the description. I placed a link. So now I'll just type something here and send it, and then I'll edit it. So I'm just typing something like I'm going to city tomorrow. So if you send this, and now if you want to edit something or correct something or add something, you can select the text and click on the three dots at top right corner. Once you select, you need to click on three dots and click on edit. Then you'll get the option and edit, and here you can correct that or add a sentence or something, whatever it is, your choice. So I corrected it, I sent it, so the other person will see something like edited. So this is the beautiful option from WhatsApp. So if you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to others, your friends and family, so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.